Previously from D.
On my knee, all this begin. Hop off a chick, and they get rich. Catch to no more, and I get a check. You selling wrong on my pants and my chest. She in a dress, full of a mess. I eat a fish, do a rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shot like 10, and they go pull like a hoopity jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, gon' get used to the rest. With this school, where they teach you for this. I have issues with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss, man, I keep catching the dance. Go to cool fast when they in with it.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dimple. If you're new and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you. Thank you for 500 subscribers. You know what guys, thank you so much. Later on, I'm heading to work now. My dad is escorting me. He's gonna drop me off. I'm working at Current Park today, and guys, I just got to work. I thought I'm working in Current Park, and there's something going on here. But I start work now at 12. It's like 10 to 12 now. So yeah.
Smiles, I'm in my love. Smiles, I'm in my love. Smiles, I'm Smiles, I'm in my love. Smiles, I'm in my love. Smiles,
She said I must take a video of Aaron, but I think I'm the most important one here.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Dimple. If you're new and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I don't know if I don't know how to thank you, but thank you so much guys. Today is, what day is it today? It's Thursday, no, Wednesday. I've been saying that, well, when I was back at school, I've been saying when I get back home for recess, I'm gonna do stuff, do everything, vlog and all that. But guys, that's not happening because all I've been doing is literally working, right? Like literally. And on days where I'm not working, I'm just at home resting because they've been booking me for like promo gigs. I'm not complaining at all because, you know, but guys, there's literally nothing to vlog, honestly. But I got myself something. I got myself a phone camera. So Unako and I went camera shopping, I think sometime last week. Yeah, we went camera shopping. I've always wanted a film camera, and it's crazy how I've already gotten one. Like prior to me getting this one, I got one online, so it's still on the way. And okay, I don't regret it, but I kind of do, guys, because that one was more expensive than this. I thrifted this for only 250, and it looks so, like, it still looks like it's in good condition, right? It's in very good condition. It zooms. This is how it looks. It's a Pentax Zoom 105R, and this is obviously where you load the film. I don't have film now. I wish I did. I genuinely wish I did, but it's okay with cameras. So this is one of the things that I got myself, just to thank myself, you know, and celebrate 500 subscribers, obviously. I also got myself a pair of sneakers. This is not usually what I would get, or on a normal basis. Like, I wouldn't get Addies. Like, I'm not an Addy girl. I'm a Nike girly. Like, most of my sneakers are Nike, but guys, Nike is expensive, and I didn't have money, like enough money to buy the Nike shoe that I wanted. So I got these. I wore these once when I went to the Puñeta Sontaha thingy at Hardy's. So yeah, I only wore them once. I didn't vlog that because I just wanted to live in the moment that day. But yeah, yeah guys, I got Eddie, and I said initially I didn't like Sambas. I didn't like them at all, but I just like grew to like them. I'll show you guys the other camera that I got once it gets delivered. But yeah, right now, literally. So yeah guys, I'm wearing this maxi dress. You guys all know this dress. You've seen me wear this dress. Guys, trust me, this is not the only dress I own. I just like it. I just like it so much because it's so comfortable and it's just easy to like wear. And yeah, anyway, let me leave, guys. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. I'm working tomorrow, so I'm not gonna vlog that. I don't want to vlog at work because it gets like there's really nothing to vlog at work. And yeah, I think I'll see you guys on Christmas. Yeah, because we have a family something going on at my aunt's, so I'm definitely gonna vlog that. That is definite. I'm gonna vlog that. But anyway, thank you once again for 500 subbies. I love all 500 and something of you so much, guys. Mwah. Bye.
Period. And then now it's working. Every day.
Every day.
Every day. Enjoy my cooking.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the lost.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, you.
I'm good, thanks. I'm looking for film.
Which one would you like?
Kodak Gold.
How many would you like?
Just one,
What?
please.
Are you sure?
I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can.
Hi guys, it's a new day and I got my package. Remember the camera I was telling you guys about? I got it today and I haven't opened it. I got it when I was at work, right? So I didn't like get time to open it. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. And we're gonna see how the camera looks. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna open this. Oh yeah. So I got the camera today. I got it delivered today, and it was delivered at my cousin's place in Centurion. Because I was working in Centurion, then I Uber connected it to where I was working, and when I knocked off, I also got film. I got a Kodak Gold. Let me show you all how it looks. It just looks like this. Yeah. I don't know though which camera I'm gonna use. Hey, I can't, and I wanna use it this weekend because I'm gonna go out. Nako, Tony and I are gonna go out. I think my sister, well, my cousin's sister, yeah, she'll be joining us. Oh, it comes in a cute bag. Shame. Guys, it comes in this bag. How cute. Ah, guys, look what it says. It says Kodak. It's like a cute camera bag. Shame. She's so cute, that lady. Wow. Ah, that's a very rare party. How it looks. It feels so light. Oh, shame, man. And it's boxed. It's a Pentax PC 5000. Obviously, point and shoot. And guys, it looks. Wait again, it looks brand new, but it's second hand. Guys, it feels so light. It feels so light. I think this is gonna be easier to use this weekend because it's easy to like carry around, you know what I mean? Yeah. Wow, it's so cute. This is how my new camera looks, guys. This was quite like, it was expensive than that other one. How do I open it? Oh, so I got batteries the other day. Like I got them, I don't remember when I got them, but I've always had these. So it uses these AA batteries. I'm gonna test it now and see what the ink is. What if it doesn't work? Hey, hold on. Then tell me I detected it. Yo, it's so portable. Guys. Guys, why did I so? Wait, let me go ask my dad to help me. Papa! I'm coming. Guys, it works. My dad, I don't know what he did, but like guys, it works. Ira period. This is my new camera, guys. I don't know like what I was doing. I probably inserted the batteries wrong, but my dad did whatever that he did. But yeah. Hi guys, welcome to a new day into the vlog. Come with me to get my nails done. I'm going to town to do my nails. I'm also going to be doing my toes, so let's go.
Last summer, poolside vibes, then turn up.
Good morning in the morning. Hi guys, welcome to a new day in the vlog. I did my nails yesterday. I couldn't show y'all when I came back because it was like late and I was tired and yeah. But yeah guys, today is Sunday the 22nd of December. I'm doing my laundry now. I'm washing all the clothes that I've been wearing throughout the week at work. and I'm gonna wear them again. It's just uniform. I'm gonna wear them again this week. I'm working this week, just not on Christmas and the 22nd. But as for today, I am going to homecoming, friends like me, with my sister. They're homecoming, you guys. I was supposed to go with Unako and Tony as well. Tony is our guy friend, but they're not coming anymore due to other reasons, but that's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done getting ready and everything. I don't know what to wear though. I have like an outfit crisis, but we'll fix that. Smara anyway, me and yeah guys, bye. Hi guys, so I finished getting ready at home, but I obviously like couldn't show you guys because my sister was rushing me. But we're here at Checkers in Bonorbo. We just want to get snacks and something to eat, and then Rhea homecoming. I'll show you guys my outfit. Like I'll ask my sister to take me a picture. Sorry. Yeah guys.
Tell me why you're crying, now can you be, yeah. When you gave me something I don't need, yeah. But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you come into my yard uninvited. When you see me on the end, you know. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad, yeah.
Hi guys, it is a new day. It's the next day. Yesterday was so fun, guys. I broke my nail, but I broke it this morning. Yeah. Yeah, I went to work today and I came back not so long ago, and I've just been chilling like ever since. But yesterday was so fun. Like it was just fun. Do you understand? It was fun. It was fun. I'll definitely go again. There's it's a homecoming, yeah. Some type of fun happening on the 31st. Unfortunately, I didn't get the ticket, but I was definitely gonna go. If I had the ticket, shame, I was definitely gonna go. But yeah, guys, yeah, I had fun. Shame, I really had a good time. I'm not gonna end this vlog here because I'm gonna vlog Christmas. I think I'm just gonna end it off on Christmas Day, like later on Christmas Day. But I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. And yeah, this is my last vlog of 2024. And yeah, guys, we're still celebrating 500 subbies, okay? Period. Merry Christmas. 1,000, guys.
Don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.